everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami sea lion. So you're going to start with one square piece of origami paper. Doesn't matter what color. I'm going to start by folding your model in half, corner to corner, and then unfolding it. Then you're going to fold the side edges in towards the center. Unfold and do that to the top edges, just like this. It's okay if they aren't completely straight. Doesn't really matter. Just try to get them as straight as you can. Okay? Now, once you have that done, the next thing that you're going to do is, using those creases that you made, pinch this little triangle and fold it over just like that. And just like that. And this is going to form the seal's arms. Okay. Now that you have that done, you're going to turn your model over and fold in half. Just like that. Okay. Now, you're going to fold up the tail. Just like that. Then fold the head upwards, just like this. Doesn't matter where you fold it upwards to, as long as there's plenty of head. And you're going to fold your head over. Doesn't matter where. There. And then fold the tip of the head inside the head, just like that. Now you're going to fold the arms down, just like that, and then I'm going to fold the little flippers up, and there you go, an origami seal. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos. And visit paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs and tutorials for all kinds of cool origami. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!